How to buy JLaunchpad token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see here now, and also there is a referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, this token it's available on MEXC. So I will show you how to buy this token on MEXC. So first of all, open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on it to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. Now you can copy this token on this, as you can see, this token symbol, sorry. Now just copy it. Go to your MEXC account, into search bar, just paste it. As you can see, click on this pair. Now after that, what you need to do is just wait a few seconds and you will be able to find this page. Now to buy this token, click on buy, select the limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy easily. So this is how much you will pay of the USDT on your account, and click on buy JLP. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of the USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy JLP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.